This is the first tablet from OnePlus, the OnePlus Pad, and let me tell you straight away that this is the most powerful tablet you can buy under 40,000 rupees. But is there a catch? See, I know you want to know all about it, the specs and features, the tablet experience, the ecosystem features, these new accessories from OnePlus. So let's get into detail. So first of all, this is the OnePlus Pad box, and I like that this includes this 100-watt SuperVOOC charger. Now, this is what the OnePlus Pad looks like in all its glory, and it looks like a premium tablet. It has a very slim design. It's just 6.5 millimeters thin, which is impressive. And at 552 grams, it's also fairly lightweight, considering this is an 11.6-inch tablet. It's also fairly good looking. This is only available in the screen shade, and it's a huge fingerprint magnet, but you get narrow bezels on the front, you get a unified metal body all around that stretches from the frame to the back, which by the way has this pattern along with the OnePlus logo and this camera bump. Now, if you're wondering, there is some screen wobble in the corners here if you're using the display on a table like this. So if you're going to be drawing on this tablet, better get a case. Anyway, the frame has the USB-C 2.0 port on the bottom, the metal connectors for the keyboard on the left, the OnePlus stylus connector and charger on the right, and you get the power button and the volume rocker in the top right in portrait orientation. Now, one thing actually missing, considering this is a premium tablet, is that there's no fingerprint scanner. There's also no haptics, which is also not present on iPads, only on premium Samsung tablets. There's also no headphone jack, no microSD slot, and this is only available in Wi-Fi variants, no LTE. All this apart, this has a 13-megapixel camera on the back, which is kind of fine, and it has an 8-megapixel wide camera on the front, which has a limelight feature similar to center stage, and it does seem to work well, although it does reduces the quality a bit. Now, I do like that the OnePlus Pad is packing quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and these are actually loud, crisp speakers with a little bit of bass, and I like that the device intelligently identifies the screen orientation to automatically switch between left and right audio channels. Now, the speakers are important on a tablet, but the most important thing is the display, and this is one area where OnePlus has hit it out of the park. Let me put it this way, it is an IPS LCD screen, but if you do not know the specs and you saw it for the first time, you might think this is AMOLED. I mean, it's a sharp display thanks to the high resolution, but the colors are what's actually good. It's really punchy, and the contrast ratio is very good for an LCD. Plus, this is a bright panel. Now, this should be great for multimedia, especially with Dolby Vision support, although Netflix does not show HDR capabilities as of now. Anyway, the screen here is 144Hz and is just really responsive. I mean, the touch response seems great, the animations look butter smooth, games like COD Mobile that support the high refresh rate look awesome. Yeah, so the screen here is all great, except for maybe the screen protection, which OnePlus hasn't mentioned, so better get a screen protector. So the screen is actually a big USP, but even better is the performance. I mean, in this price range, you get the Lenovo tablet Snapdragon 750G, you have the Galaxy Tab S7 FE with Snapdragon 750G, while the OnePlus Pad brings the Dimensity 9000 processor, which is MediaTek's flagship chipset from last year, and it's also got faster RAM and storage. So this is actually powerful all around, and it shows in the benchmark scores, be it Antutu, Geekbench, 3D Mark, it's all really good. There's also no throttling issues. More importantly though, the real-world performance here is what you expect from a premium tablet. Games run smooth and on high graphics, and they look amazing on this big display. The UI is also smooth even while running apps in split screen using all the gestures. It's actually a fast and snappy to use tablet, which is important in a high-end tablet like this. Anyway, let's talk about the tablet experience now. So the OnePlus Pad comes with OxygenOS 13.1 on top of Android 13, and even though this is fine, I really wish OnePlus would have gone for the UI that Google introduced with Android 12L. I say that because this has good multitasking gestures. For example, you can swipe with 2 fingers from the top to put an app into split screen. You can even drag and drop apps from the sidebar to do it. There's also gestures to put apps in this pop-up floating window, and all of this works great. But I just wish that the dock here was available inside apps too, maybe with a gesture similar to iPadOS and MIUI for Pad. Apart from this, a lot of apps have the dual pane UI. The notification center shows you quick settings on the left and the notifications on the right, making good use of the screen. A few of the apps also have the dual pane UI, be it settings, notes, Google Messages, and Chrome works in its sort of desktop mode with tabs on the top. Apart from all this, OnePlus has also announced a number of ecosystem features for the OnePlus Pad to work better with OnePlus phones, and a few of these features are here. I mean, there is universal clipboard support, so you can copy on your OnePlus phone and paste it on your pad. You can get your phone notifications on your pad. You can also mirror your phone screen on the tablet. There are also more features set to be coming, like Media Sync, App Relay to use same app on both the phone and the tablet, and Auto Hotspot feature for data sharing seamlessly since this does not have LTE. Now, all of this is okay, especially considering this is OnePlus's first tablet, but I really hope that OnePlus tries and matches up to the level of Samsung and Apple in terms of ecosystem features. As for updates, OnePlus has promised 3 major OS updates and 4 years of security patches, which is very good. Moving on, the battery life on the OnePlus Pad is something that we found really good. Look, with the tablet set to high performance mode and the keyboard attached half of the time, we got a screen on time of 7.5 hours, which I think is pretty good. Charging is also pretty fast. Like I said, you get this 100-watt Superbook charger, but the tablet actually supports 67-watt charging, which takes the tablet from say 7 to 100% in 1 hour 5 minutes. Now let's talk about the accessories, and this is pretty interesting. So OnePlus has launched 2 of these accessories for the OnePlus Pad. The OnePlus Stylo stylus, which costs 5,000 rupees, and this OnePlus magnetic cover keyboard that costs 8,000 rupees. And both of these are pretty good. These are the specs of the stylus, and this is a very clean design and it works well. I mean, the latency is low, it is pressure sensitive, you can charge it magnetically via the pad, and I like that you can just tap on the lock screen and start drawing or jotting down notes. It also has a touch sensor, so you can double tap to change tools, show color palette, etc. The magnetic keyboard is also good. It attaches pretty easily like this, and I like that it has a matte finish, so it does not get very dirty very quickly. And it not only has a keyboard, but also a trackpad, which although very small, actually works well. I mean, it's responsive, clicks are good, and it even has these gestures. 3-finger swipe to switch between open apps, 3-finger tap to go back, 3-finger swipe up to go to the home screen. The keyboard is also pretty good to type on with good travel and good feedback, and this too supports a number of keyboard shortcuts. Look, these accessories are good, and overall, if you look at things, the OnePlus Pad at 37,999 actually brings good value. Here's what I'm talking about. See, if I compare the OnePlus Pad versus, say, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE and the iPad 10 Gen, which by the way is higher priced, the OnePlus Pad stands out in terms of display, performance, and charging. It's actually very good for the price. So honestly, there's no doubt that this is the most powerful Android tablet you can buy under 40K. Sure, the UI could have been better. I mean, the OnePlus Pad's tablet UI is not bad, but it's no match versus iPad OS or even Android 12L. So I think it all boils down to this. Do you want the most powerful spec'd Android tablet, or do you want to be a part of the Apple ecosystem or the Samsung ecosystem? Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.